Hello minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to Japan Diaries with Hazel. It's your travel buddy, Hazel here, and today we're off to a hidden gem sa Shizuoka, ang Kadowaki Cave sa Ito City. Kung nature lover ka, may pagka-adventurer o gusto mo lang na magandang Instagram spot, this place is definitely for you. May suspension bridge na medyo nakakalula, pero worth it, promise. At may lighthouse na parang out of a movie scene. So tara, samahan niyo ko sa isang nature trip na may halong tawa, trivia, at of course, travel goals. Kita ito sa Tarawari. So, ayan mga mamshi, nandito na tayo sa Jugasaki Coast, sa loob ng Izu Peninsula. Seryoso to. Ang vibe dito, parang nature meets drama. O diba bongga? At ang una sa listahan ay ang Kadowaki Suspension Bridge. Alam nyo ba na ang suspension bridge na to ay may 48 meters long at 23 meters high. Kaya mapapa-OMG ka talaga pag mahangin. Medyo matrill po siya kasi para lang naman po may mini lindol habang ikaw ay naglalakad. O diba bongga? Pero no worries. Super safe naman po ito. Perfect spot for your aesthetic shots. Pero just don't drop your phone habang nanginginig ka sa excitement. Kaya kung mahilig kang mag-selfie, make sure na may strap ang phone mo. Kasi baka yung alon lang ang makakakita ng mga pictures mo after. The bridge connects two parts of the volcanic Jugasaki coastline, which was formed from lava flows of Mount Umuro around 4,000 years ago daw po. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, ang bato sa paligid, very jagged and black. Mga naninigas na lava daw po iyan. Despite for being a tourist favorite, the bridge is only for pedestrians. Ibig sabihin, walang bisikleta, walang vehicles. So perfect for slow walks and chill vibes or even slow motion cinematic shots. Kunwari, dramatic ka. O diba bongga? Parang artista lang ang peg. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. From the middle of the bridge, makikita mo ang breathtaking Pacific Ocean. On clear days, you might even spot Izu Oshima, one of Japan's volcanic islands. O diba bongga? During typhoons or malalakas na hangin, the bridge is closed to the public daw po. Safety first, ika nga. Pero on calm days, it's beautiful, relaxing, and slightly thrilling experience. Parang life lang. Minsan, nakakatakot, pero may view sa dulo. Charot. So kung gusto mo ng konting thrill, pero hindi full on adventure, this bridge is the perfect balance between nature trip and pang story moment. Isa to sa historical site nila. Dito sa selfie dito, selfie doon. Bongga. I'm here. Super gala lang po talaga. So, ayan. Diba? parang tinawag yata itong Atami na Sea View Peninsula. Ayan, kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng view. O, diba? See. Look at those rocks. Ayan. Bato-bato man daw po ang dadaanan mo. At the end of the road is pagkaganda-gandang lugar. Tingnan nyo. My gosh. Wow. Suspension bridge, nakakatakot. Suspension bridge, nakakatakot. Look, grabe, oh. Yan yung suspension bridge. So, tatawirin nyo yan. Gumagalaw po yung bridge. Our next stop is Kaduwaki Lighthouse. Maliit pero iconic. You can actually climb up for a panoramic view of the Pacific Ocean. Grabe! Para kang nasa cover ng travel magazine, guys. So kung romantic ka, ang sarap dito mag-slow-mo walk. Kung gutom ka, well, good luck. Walang restaurant sa taas. Ang lighthouse na ito ay tinayo noong 1991. Medyo bata pa siya, guys. Alam nyo ba yun? Gen Z ang lighthouse na ito. Pero kahit bago, importante siya sa mga barko na dumadaan. Lalo na pag masama ang panahon, mabagyo o mapagi. It's about 11 meters tall. And yes, guys, pwede kayong umakyat, syempre. May spiral stairs paakyat, and sa taas, alam nyo ba, wow, 360-degree view of the ocean, the lava cliffs, at minsan, pati si Mount Fuji kung masyadong clear ang panahon. At alam nyo ba, libre ito? Yes, libre dito, guys. Walang entrance fee. Bayad mo, ay, effort mo lang at pawis. O, diba, bongga? But super worth it talaga. Accessible siya from the Jugasaki Trail, so perfect stopover pang relax or pang senti habang nakatingin sa dagat. Huwag ka lang tumalon, ha? At syempre, guys, pang IG, the White Tower, blue sky, coastline, equals aesthetic goals. At ito, guys, ha, kung takot ka sa heights, kaya yan. Isipin mo na lang na aakyat ka sa success and to a great selfie angle. O, diba, bongga? So, ayan, guys. That was our quick but epic trip to Kaduwaki Cape here in Ito City. Pang IG? Check. Pang relax? Check. Pang move on? Maybe. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like this video, comment below kung anong favorite part ninyo, and of course, subscribe na kayo for fun, chill, and informative travel content. Hit that bell na rin para updated kayo every time na may bago tayong adventure. This has been Japan Diaries with Hazel, reminding you na minsan, kailangan mo ring maligaw para mahanap mo ang ganda ng mundo. Thank you all for watching, guys. God bless everyone.